high-speed tracking filling machine for the hair oil. And going to the bottom separating. Bottom separating. Vibration ball on the back side. Rubber hand, high speed tracking. Catch up, loading, tighten. And then we're going to leveling. Flat bottom, double side flat bottom leveling. Bottom separating device, come for pressing. You can try running the levers.
标签不是他们的标签，所以我就是
Okay. It's not your labor because we didn't have the transparent fiber optics. It's okay, but the same. We will change it on 14th if you want. We'll try again. Yes. This line.